Microscope is an instrument used to visualize very small objects. This is a compound microscope. Its major parts consist of lamp, stage, objective lens, eyepiece or ocular lens. A compound microscope usually have 4 objective lenses, which are of magnification 4x, 10x, 40x and 100x. Once the slide is placed on the stage clip on the stage, it can be adjusted using stage controls. The microscope stage can be moved up and down using the coarse adjustment. Once the slide is focused using coarse adjustment, fine focus is used to further improve the resolution of the specimen. Lamp or illuminator is used as a light source. The light passes through the small opening called aperture. Immersion oil is used when specimen is viewed at 100x magnification.